It's time to shop. Well. I don't need any of this, but here they are. My favorite M&Ms. We'll urgently take it. Oh no, the pack does not fit in the bag. What to do? I have an idea. Need a little slide. That's it. And now, I'll open the packaging. And the sweets will fall right into the truck. Perfect! And here we are, in the kitchen. I'll put some sweets on a plate and send them to cool in the refrigerator. And now, I will prepare all the ingredients for the cake. Butter, sugar, flour, and milk. It is necessary to set the flour through a sieve. That's it. Great! And now, I'll break an egg into a bowl with flour. It is necessary to mix it thoroughly so there are no lumps. Then, I'll add some oil, powdered sugar to the same place, just like that, and a little milk. Mix everything again. The dough is ready. It is necessary to pour it into the mold. Carefully so as not to spill anything. The dough is inside, which means it's time to send the mold to the oven. Look how it rises! The cake will be very lush. Well, in the meantime, I'll do the mastic. These are the balls I have. I'll take a board and roll out one of the balls in a thin pancake. I'll do the same with the second one. After that, I cut it into stripes and make such cute bows. Perfect. And at this time, the cake is finally baked. It's time to get it out. I put it on the board and cut off the top. Then, I divide the cake into 3 parts. I put them away and remove everything extra. And here's the cake stand. A little cream for the base, and I'll set the first cake. Now cream. And the second one. Again. Cream. And the last cake on the top. Now you need to cover the sides of the cake with a small layer of cream. Just like this. And on top too. Using my spatula. And making it perfect. And here's a surprise! I have prepared a rainbow wrapper for a cake made of mastic in advance. I'll add these cute bows to it. And it's almost ready. It's time for M&Ms. With this help, I'll decorate the top of the cake. Let there be an artistic mess. And this lollipop will complete the picture. And it's better to have 5 at once. Here's my cake, and it's ready. In my opinion, it turned out just wonderful. Hello! Welcome to the Tiny Cakes channel. Today, I have a lot of fresh ideas for decorating miniature jelly for you. Let's cook. Let's take a small cup and put the leaves of blue tea there. We added some water, waited a little, and Look what we got! Blue water. Moving on. I'm pouring some sugar in there. And some jelly powder. Mixing everything together. And all done. Now let's put our little saucepan on fire and carefully pour blue tea into it. A little water. And sprinkle it with some sugar and jelly powder. Do not forget to mix everything well. The saucepan will be hot, so let's take it with our little mitt. Now, everything is ready, and you can pour it out. Look what a beautiful and delicious jelly we got! Now let's put our doll in there so that she flows in jelly bath. And carefully pour it on top. Wow, how beautiful it turned out! Would you like to take a jelly bath? Write in the comments. Then we will leave our jelly for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, take a small glass and pour some jelly into it. Then add fresh milk. And let's decorate our cocktail with mint. Oh, how great it looks! Delicious and so cute! And this is right for our dolly. And of course, what a bath without a duck! Just look at how beautiful it turned out! Such a great color! I can't resist at all, and I want to try this jelly. I'm sorry. Oh, it's so good! It's so delicious! So hard to break away from this yummy treat. So, how did our cocktail turn out? Let's take a small bite and… Yep, it's just incredible! Hello everyone! Today we will cook a Malai mini pizza. Let's go! To begin with, we will make dough. We will need flour, warm water, and instant dry yeast. Let's mix it up. Perfect! Now add some oil, salt, and honey. That's such a funny lump we got! It's time to lubricate it with oil, cover it with film, and remove it for 20 minutes. We're going to put flour through a sieve and pour it on the board. This is needed for our dough. Let's make a piece of tortilla and roll out a thin layer. The round shape will make our pizza smooth and beautiful. We're cutting out the edges, covering the pizza with a plate, and using a knife. Amazing! Now, some mozzarella on top and rolling it up. Beautiful! Let's move on to cooking delicious chicken. We put the meat in a bowl and adding some spices. Chili pepper, coriander, black pepper, some masala, garlic, ginger, and lemon juice. And also some dill powder, cream, and yogurt. Oh, what a fragrance! Wow! We need to let our fillet stand for a while and soak in it. Hooray! Now we can fry the chicken. Pour some oil and put meat into the pan. It seems to be ready. Yeah, perfect! Finally, it's time to lay out all the ingredients on our pizza. First, smear the dough with ketchup. Then put some grated cheese and some breaded chicken. Top with the remaining cheese, olives, and basil. It remains only to pepper the pizza and bake it in the oven. Don't forget about the seasoning. Bravo! We got a great Malai pizza! Oh, how delicious it smells! I can't wait to try a piece. Gorgeous!